Hey guys, it's really cold out. We're going to install some heat pads on the van here, on the gray water tank, and on the drain pipes that go into it. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. It should be fun and cool. Yeah, it snowed here last night. I mowed the lawn. Okay, so I picked up this heat tape. It's 12 volt, 1 watt. So I'm going to use that for the drain from the sink. And then I got this thing, and it's for a drain pipe. So I'll put that on the shower. And then I got this heat pad that I'm going to put on the gray water tank. Like that, right? You know? Because this is the low spot here. You know, it's about 1 inch lower. So that's definitely where the water is going to be. So I'm going to put it down on this end. I already cleaned this off with acetone, so it should be very well cleaned. So here's the tricky part, right? They say it's like 3M adhesive. It sure seems pretty good, man. Like, really good. So, there it is. Installed. I like that. Just like that, man. You know, talk about easy install. It's snowing out. Unbelievable. Well, I guess I'm doing this just in time because there isn't a whole lot of snow on the ground, but man, it's November 12th and I'm doing this. This thing here, I think I'm gonna need some wire ties for it. I don't know if I should go like, you know, like that with it. Probably. And I probably need a couple more. And I'll do this over here. And this I probably need to do so I can drain the damn tank. So, boy, we sure don't, this is a shower. We don't want that thing to leak, right? Oh, this is just nice. Not. It is flexible enough. I just don't want it up against the frame, but see, it's flexible enough I can just sort of wrap it. But the problem is I don't have enough. So I gotta get some more of this too and put it on. Okay. All right. Kind of a mess here. I had to get some wire ties on it. But see that stuff there? That's the drain from the other side. I've wrapped it with the heat tape. And I've got a pad on here. And I've got a pad right here. And I've got a couple of pads on the shower drain. And so then of course there's the pad down there on the tank. So I think we're okay. I'm going to take some cable ties and put it on this Armaflex. It's actually some pretty interesting stuff. Here it is. So this guy's split, and you just put it over the pipe and peel this off. and it sticks really good to itself. I feel like I should insulate this spot over here a little more. I don't know. Maybe I just insulate this whole thing with a piece of rubber. I don't know. I got to think about that a little more. We got our tree up. It's on top of the dog crate. It's kind of a Charlie Brown tree, but we're going small. So these guys are kind of nice because they're waterproof. You can put pretty much any size, any gauge in there, and you know, it's not coming out. So, you know, nice. I'll tie that up there. We got our ground right there. I'll probably silicone over that now. And then I just gotta do some, there's this piece of pipe right here I gotta cover up with some pipe wrap, and then I think we're done. I got it wrapped back over there above the exhaust all the way to the other side. So we're good to go. Okay. All right, so I ran this wire a long time ago. So I just gotta hook it up to the fuse box. I had run it in advance when I built the van. So we're good to go on that. And I got my fuses right here. Keep them in this nice. So this is going to be a 15 amp fuse, because I think we're going to pull about 12 amps with all of this. So we'll try a 15. So there it is, and we'll go turn it on. All right. So it's hooked up to that switch right there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, you can. So we go ahead and hit the switch. Here we go. Flame on. Okay. How do we know? Let's see what the draw is. Looks like we're drawing 2.1 amps. That's not bad. 32, 27 watts of power. At this rate, we could run it for 4.5 days. Not bad. So I put on 1 heat pad, 3 of those elbow pads, and then 2 lengths of the heat tape. And this is what we're drawing. So not too bad. Let's check out and see what it feels like. So here's the switch for the thing. I turned it on right there. There's a lot going on in this cabinet here. Sorry. Cool, huh? Okay, there. So there's the switch. So let's go down and check and see if this thing is warm. Okay, so here's our, yeah, it's warm, all right. Okay. Yeah. So, success. I think we got a working thing here. Oh, cripes. This was a lot of work just because you're laying on your back the whole time. But anyways, we got a heated tank here and heated pipes, so I think we're okay. Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.